Ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes in the creative process of visual art and storytelling? I'm talking about the good, bad, and ugly. The things we toss in the trash. The sketches we don't show anyone. The paint, sweat, and tears that we wipe away. That creative process. That's why I interview and analyze creators worldwide about their artistic approach and what makes them mad. Covering popular works to underground projects that you never heard of. Sharing tips and tricks to help you avoid making mistakes and inspire your creative potential. But we don't make mistakes. We make happy little accidents. Hey, can you give me some water, please? Thank you. So let's keep it mad. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to explore the world of visual art and storytelling, featuring work from illustrators, writers, photographers, filmmakers, animators, mangakas, and more. Oh, it is so hot. I think that's good enough, man. I'm hungry and I can't do no more. So I'm done.